I am going to review the compound events or homework. Make sure your assignment is submitted in Google Classroom and make sure that you showed all of your work. These 6 problems are only using the word or. Later this week and all next week we will mix up ors with ands. So this may seem easy, but just remember the keywords are really important. It will help you when they are mixed with the harder problems. Okay, number 1, asked you to find the probability of selecting a purple marble or a blue marble. Okay, we know our keyword or means add, and there are 2 fractions that we are adding together. You want to find what your total is. So we have 3 plus 2, which is 5, plus 4 is 9. Okay, so both of them have a total of 9. There are 3 purple marbles in the bag. There are 2 blue marbles in the bag. Okay, when you go to add these, like I did on the notes, either put them in parentheses in your calculator, press math, enter, enter to reduce, or if you're just doing them in your head, add the numbers on top, leave the denominator alone. So your solution for number 1 is 5/9. Number 2 wants to know the probability of selecting the letter M. So probability of getting the letter M or getting a vowel. Okay, again, our keyword or means to add. There are 26 letters in the alphabet, and they told us that at the beginning. From the alphabet, you want to make sure you remember that there is only one letter M. So there's a 1 out of 26 chance of selecting that. Or, remember, getting a vowel from our notes, you have A, E, I, O, and U. So there are 5 vowels to choose from. Okay, so when you add those together, again, either on the calculator or in your head, you end up with a reduced fraction of 3 out of 13. So there's a 3 out of 13 chance of selecting the letter M or a vowel. Okay, number 3. American Eagle is selling 10 pairs of dark blue jeans, 12 pairs of light blue jeans, and 8 pairs of gray jeans. What is the probability of selecting a gray pair of jeans or a dark pair of blue jeans? So showing your work, I'm just going to put probability of gray or dark blue. Okay, we know or means to add. So we're going to make our 2 fraction bars. Let's find our total first. So you have 10 plus 12 plus 8 gives you 30. Okay. The gray pair of jeans. There are 8. The dark blue jeans. There are 10. Okay. So we're going to add those together. You have 18 out of 30, which reduces to 3/5. Okay, so there's a 3/5 chance of selecting gray or dark blue jeans. Number 4, you roll a 6-sided dice. I should say sided, sorry. Find the probability of rolling a number greater than 3 or the number 1. Okay, so probability of a number more than 3 or it landing on the number 1. Okay, and again, our keyword or means to add. Now be careful here. A number greater than 3, okay, is not going to be 3. So if it's greater than 3, it could land on a 4, 5, or a 6 on the 6-sided dice. Okay. So there are 3 options of that happening. Or it landing on a number 1. Okay, there is one number 1. So when you add those, you get 4 out of 6, which reduces to 2/3. Okay, so be careful with that one. Whether it's greater than or less than something, make sure you are including the correct numbers. Okay, number 5. In a basket, there are 4 purple jelly beans, 3 red jelly beans, and 4 blue jelly beans. What is the probability of selecting a red jelly bean or a purple jelly bean? So probability of red or purple. Okay. So we're going to set up our fraction bar. We're adding them. There are 3 red. Okay, let's get our total. So we have 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 4 more is 11. So there's a 3 out of 11 chance of getting red. Plus the purple, there's a 4 out of 11 chance of getting purple. So 7 out of 11 is our solution here of getting a red or a purple. Okay, number 6. You are grocery shopping for fruit. The store has 10 apples, 4 oranges, and 8 bananas. What is the probability of purchasing an orange or an apple? So probability of orange or apple. Okay, there are, let's get our total here first. 10 plus 4 plus 8 gives us 22. Okay. Orange. There are 4 oranges according to this problem, and there are 10 apples. So when you add those, you're getting 14 out of 22, which reduces to 7 out of 11. Okay, so if there's additional questions on that homework, please email me. Again, I will either create another video or I can schedule a Zoom meeting for whoever needs to see some other OR problems. Have a good day, guys.